Model, 2018 Ford Transit 2.0 TDCI 130 PS 350 L3H3 rear-wheel drive starts runs need clutch Euro 6 bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 146,185. MOT, the 23rd of November 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. This needs a clutch. It selects all gears perfectly, but just has no drive, straightforward clutch replacement. The engine is perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, reversing camera, electric windows, 2 keys. EU